Hello friend, this is Dean from Multifit Solar. I will share with you the fall and winter solar cleaning brush maintenance tips. 1. Due to the cleaning in autumn and winter, it is easy to wear out the brush of the solar cleaning brush. So it is best to check the performance of the brush every once in a while and then use the cleaning brush. If the brush is too short, please exchange the new brush head on time. 2. Autumn and winter can easily affect battery performance. Therefore, it is best to check the battery performance every once in a while and do a good job of battery protection to extend the running time of the cleaning brush. 3. If the cleaning brush suddenly does not work, you can first check whether its battery is working normally, then disassemble the brush disc to check whether the gear is worn, and then check the motor. Follow the order to troubleshoot. That's all. Thank you. If any need, please follow and contact us.